we are looking at how to pronounce this abbreviation. We're going to be looking at how to say more interesting acronyms and initialisms as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So how do you say this abbreviation, meaning of course as soon as possible? There are two different ways of saying it. You can either say ASAP, and that will be perfectly understood, ASAP, as in the letters ASAP. You can also say ASAP, ASAP. It means exactly the same thing, ASAP or ASAP. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting acronyms whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.